Well, my name is Renso. I'm from Argentina. I'm specialized in web design. With Aldana, we have a web design studio called Shiny Octopus since about 10 years, Aldana.
Yeah, more or less.
Uh,
Give and take.
well, we specialize in web design. However, we also are graphic designers. And in my case, I work as user experience designers for the last 5 years. And I also have knowledge in developing web performance, search engine optimization, and accessibility.
Yeah,
Is
we studied graphic design first, and then we developed our passion for also developing the websites and building them with different languages. So now we try to mix both because we like it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Dale, dale.
We started, we took like every single job that we were asked to. But then we spent many years working um, in two jobs. Like we had our full time job, and then we used to dedicate sometimes to our agency, but it wasn't the best thing to do because it took a lot of time and left us with no free time at all. But yeah, we would do anything that we were asked to, and maybe make projects that we weren't very passionate about and didn't pay much, but just do it because we could, and that was
Mm.
all. But since we enrolled, we tried to follow the like we it allowed us to see that there's a possibility to charge more for our knowledge and choose our clients and see what we want to do instead of just doing anything just because we could. And we got to leave our full-time jobs now, both of us, and that was a very big step for us. Yeah.
Yeah, in the first place, the BONT Club we allow us to be more selective with the clients. We used to accept any type of web design work, and in the way that we accept these works. For example, I need a website. Yes, I could make for in WordPress for this. We make the solution directly to the client, and we don't know how to really sell a website. You don't have any experience in sell.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, we did just what they asked for instead of providing a solution. And one of the best results that we had so far was better quotes. And yeah, and well, and the free time, I mentioned that before, but like we have less projects and we can be more focused on them, and we can enjoy doing them too, like, and providing the solution. Now we know what questions to ask the client when they come and they say, okay, I need a website. Okay, but what do you need it for? Like, we have more questions now, and I think that's the part that enriches our work.
What
Awesome.
are the objectives for this website? What would you want to achieve with this website? What are your goals? Uh,
Mm-hmm.
we first listen to the client to give them the best solution, or the best answers to what they want.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I think that also makes you look like it gives you some kind of expertise in front of the client. Like, why is this person charging what he's charging? Well, because he knows what he's doing, and he knows that he will give you the solution to what you need instead of just doing because they ask for a website, but a website can be so many things, and they don't know that before asking that.
Goes
Um,
first.
Uh, Well, when one talks about investment, the first thing that comes to the mind is I can win, I can lose in the investment. I think that BONT Club is a sure win. You are going to win in this investment. Why? I say that? The first thing, you will have a lot of information in a lot of fields, like sales to the clients. You will learn how to talk to the client, how to ask questions to the client. This is a change in how you talk and how you think the web design process to sell this. In other way, you will find a lot of information about design, about typography, about composition, about systems, about reading, a lot of things about web design and the design in general.
I think it was a very good remember for us that we studied a lot of time ago. Although we've been working since we started studying, it's always good to have that information, to have all that in the videos, and the videos are very easy to follow, and it gives you a lot of tools. But well, especially for us, it was all the sales part was amazing. So I would say that if you struggle on getting clients, or if you have a lot of clients but you don't know how to handle them, it's a good option to learn how to do it. And we learned that in the BONT Club. So yeah, I would say sign up.
Awesome.
And the most important thing, the people who join to the BONT Club will have the support and your guidance, not only by you, Adrian, sino of the entire community.
You get the feedback from all the community, and you see the feedback for them. Maybe
Right.
we weren't very consistent at asking for feedback, because we have our very special way of doing this. But when the feedback from if you are persistent and you work and you use the tools that are in the videos, and you create things and you ask for feedback, you will have the best feedback from the community. Everyone are very supportive and they are happy for your achievements. So that's a good thing too. Yeah.